Dapat, nag-gubernur yan.
Stop na una ko.
Huh?
Stop sa kanina. Sabi niya kung automatic.
And then the last one is a certificate that we received in Sydney, Australia, during the international convention. We were surprised to receive an announcement from actually the international president then, Eberhard Wirth, called our past international president, Kei Fukushima, who happens to be in our district. Well, actually, Kei Fukushima is in our district, and he is a past international president. So he got a call from the incumbent international president and told him that one of his clubs in the district is among the top 3 finalists for the it's right here, Outstanding Service Project by a Lions Club, and this is all over the world. So imagine our joint project was one of the 3 finalists among all Lions Clubs. And this is what we received during that time in the International Convention in Sydney, Australia. I am presenting this also to your president.
Wow.
Congratulations. Finally, PDG, I forgot to give you this. Actually, we're on the 18th year of our club, but this is the 15th year anniversary, and we celebrate every 5 years of our anniversary. So this is the last one that we did, a 15th year anniversary. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dapat na daw ka.
Bugtong mag-gubernur.
So lastly, I have 12 prints here. So whoever, any one of you who don't have the club prints yet of Maharlika Lions Club, I have them here. So if you want to have one, it's here. I'll leave it with your president. Yes. Thank you so much.
Next one.
Let's give like 3 roars to Dr. B. Hands up!
Roar!
Hands up!
Roar!
Hands up!
Roar!
Yay! Thank you, Dr. B. I suggest that we give this to the new members. You claim it later after singing one song. Alright, okay. Thank you so much, Dr. Thank you so much. This time, I'd like to call